Hi, Bungalow You. How are you doing? I just wanted to take a few minutes here to introduce this month's theme, our co-host, and our two expert interviews. So I'm Brookielynn Calloway, obviously, and this month was kind of special because the idea for this month came out of nowhere from my friend Anne-Marie, who's also one of the expert interviews. And if you remember, she's actually my first expert interview and first co-host of Bungalow University. So we're bringing her back. She was popular and she's one of my great friends and the one that gave me the idea for this month's theme. So Matt Calloway is my husband. And I know that I've used all kinds of different people as co-hosts for the month, experts in all various fields. But at the end of the day, I get a lot of my advice from him. And he is one of the hardest working people I know. And he's very supportive of me and very supportive of this group. And he owns and runs a very successful real estate business here in town. And he's constantly juggling lots of work and contracts and stress. And eating the frog, which I'm about to talk about in a second, is very much so something that he has to do every single day. And I think he will be really great at shedding some light on how to just barrel through a task and get your things done. He's definitely one to do that and makes little messes along the way, but he is great at getting things done. So I thought it was very appropriate that he become the co-host for this month, and that could go horribly wrong. Hoping that it doesn't, but it might, and you might find some humor in this month's banter between Matt and I online. So I look forward to that. And I might want to add that he doesn't know he's the co-host yet because I just made him a co-host, so that's exciting. Anne-Marie Lindsey is one of my expert interviews simply because she is a small business owner, shop owner here in Frisco, has the most fabulous shop ever, and she has to do tasks that aren't always like lovely and glamorous and awesome and aren't always the things that she wants to do, that she's passionate about. And it's very apparent because she has this beautiful store and everybody that walks in there thinks that it's all sunshine and rainbows, but it's a lot of hard work and there are a lot of frogs to eat in that business. And so we're going to talk to her later in the month about that. And then the other person is somebody that I have gotten a lot of questions about, and she doesn't even know it, but her name is Lizzy Rinner. And Lizzy is the mastermind behind all of my craft videos I've been producing lately. Actually, she's been producing, where it's an overhead shot and her hands are putting the things together. So she's really excellent. She's just really good at what she does. And so I want to talk a little bit about Eat the Frog and July, and actually July/August. So July and August are very slow months for everyone because everyone's on vacation. I, for one, will be going on a vacation at the beginning of August. We'll be taking our 17-year-old to Michigan to college at the end of August. And between now and the end of July, we'll be gone for a week to Missouri for a baseball tournament. And we play baseball tournaments every other weekend besides that week that we're gone here in town. So super busy. So July is actually a July/August, and I probably should change that in the header photo above. But for now, I just want you to know that this Eat the Frog is really about July and August. Lizzie's interview is in August. Anne-Marie's is towards the end of July. And Matt will be the co-host for the rest of the summer. And also we'll be together. So I can say, hey, jump on there. Answer those questions. That question's for you. So let's talk about Eat the Frog. Mark Twain is famous for saying that everyone has to get up in the morning and eat a couple of live frogs. So if you go ahead and get that out of the way, the rest of your day is great. So while it is super gross, I think it's a super cute saying, and you can just say, eat that frog, just eat the frog. Eat the frog, get the frogs out of the way so that you can have sunshine and rainbows the rest of the day. So Eat the Frog is our theme, and it's a very wide-ranging and broad theme for a reason, but it's specifically chosen for the whole back-to-school, end of the summer. Everyone's getting ready for fall and the fall rush, especially if you're a small business like me or do workshops. Fall is a huge time for our business, so we're all gearing up for that. We're planning for it, stocking up inventory, planning out parties, all that kind of stuff. And then moms, I mean, back to school, heck, we're taking a kid to Michigan from Texas. Then we have 2 other little ones to get off to elementary school. So eating the frog is something that we're all going to be doing together, and so we're in this together and running our own small businesses, and I thought that it was super appropriate for this time of the year and what we are all going to have to do in the next month or so to get ready for back to school. So I'd like you to comment on this video and let me know what kind of frogs you've got stewing or brewing and coming up that you're avoiding and pushing away. I'd like you to join in with Matt and I as we answer your questions and facilitate engagement. I will be interviewing him several times in the group between now and August, and I just really appreciate you guys, and I look forward to this little slowed down time and to really dig deep into why we avoid and procrastinate. And Anne-Marie said she read somewhere that the opposite of procrastinate is now. So just do it now. Eat the frog. Join with me July and August. I look forward to talking with you and helping you in your small business journey. So I will talk to you soon. Bye.